Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel where English comes to life with fun stories. Have you ever met someone who changed your day in just 1 second? Or kept a little secret that made you smile? Today I have a long, sweet story about a woman, a bakery, and a man who might steal her heart. In the next 5 minutes, you'll follow her adventure and maybe feel the butterflies too. Stay with me because this story is full of surprises. Let's start. One sunny morning, Lily was walking to her favorite bakery. She wore a blue skirt and a white shirt, her hair tied in a ponytail. Lily loved the bakery because it smelled like warm bread and sugar. She went there every Saturday to buy a small cake for herself. It was her happy day. When she opened the bakery door, a little bell rang. Inside, it was busy, people talking, kids laughing. Lily stood in line and looked at the cakes. Suddenly, a man walked in behind her. He was tall, with brown hair and bright eyes. He smiled at Lily, and her face felt hot. She looked down at her shoes, shy. The man stepped closer and said, "Hi, do you come here a lot?" Lily nodded. "Yes, every Saturday," she said quietly. He smiled again. "Me too, I love the chocolate bread." Lily laughed a little. "I like the vanilla cake," she said. They talked more, about bread, cakes, and the sunny weather outside. His name was Sam. When it was Lily's turn to buy her cake, Sam said, "Wait, let me pay for it." Lily's eyes got big. "No, it's okay," she said, but Sam gave money to the baker anyway. "It's a gift," he said with a wink. Lily felt happy but nervous. She took her cake and said, "Thank you, Sam." He waved and said, "See you next Saturday?" Lily smiled and left the bakery. That afternoon, Lily sat at home with her cake. She couldn't stop thinking about Sam. His smile, his voice, the way he looked at her, it stayed in her head. She ate her cake slowly, imagining him sitting next to her, sharing it. She wondered what it would be like to hold his hand or feel his arm around her, but she shook her head and laughed at herself. "Stop dreaming, Lily," she said out loud. The next Saturday, Lily woke up early. She wore her blue skirt again and walked to the bakery. Her heart was jumping. Would Sam be there? When she opened the door, the bell rang and she looked around. Sam was sitting at a small table with 2 cups of coffee. He saw her and waved. "Lily, come here," he said. She walked over, her legs shaking a little. "I got coffee for us," Sam said, "and this." He pushed a small box toward her. Lily opened it and saw a tiny vanilla cake, her favorite. "For me?" she asked. Sam nodded. "I wanted to see you again," he said. They sat together, drinking coffee and eating cake. Sam told her about his job. He fixed cars. Lily told him she worked in a flower shop. They laughed and talked for hours. As the sun went down, Sam looked at Lily and said, "Can I walk you home?" Lily's cheeks turned pink. "Yes," she said softly. They left the bakery and walked down the quiet street. The air was cool and the stars were coming out. Sam stayed close to her, their shoulders almost touching. Lily felt warm inside, like a little fire growing. When they reached her house, Sam stopped. He looked at her and said, "Lily, I like you. A lot." Lily's heart beat so fast she couldn't speak. She wanted to say something, maybe touch his hand, but she just smiled. Sam stepped closer and said, "Next Saturday, meet me again. I have a surprise." Then he turned and walked away. Lily stood there holding her breath. What was the surprise? Was it a gift or something bigger? That's the end of our sweet story today. Did you enjoy Lily's adventure with Sam? If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English stories. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Maybe we'll find out Sam's surprise. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.